Students, welcome back to my YouTube class. In the last class, we have solved some examples on linear partial differential equation of first order. Same, solve x square minus y square minus z square into p plus 2xyq equals 2xz. Okay. First write the given equation, that is x square minus y square minus z square into p plus 2xyq equals 2xz. This is of the form p plus q equals r. Here p is, capital P is x square minus y square minus z square, q is 2xy, r is 2xz. The auxiliary equations are dx by p equals dy by q equals dz by r. These are the auxiliary equations. Replace p, q, r by these values. Dx by x square minus y square minus z square equals dy by 2xy, dz by 2xz. Dy by, consider these two. Dy by 2xy equals dz by 2xz. 2 cancel, x cancel. We have dy by y equals dz by z. Now integrating, we get the integration of this is log y. Integration of this is log z plus some constant, say log c1. Log y minus log z equals log c1, or log a minus log b is log a by b. Log y by z equals log c1. Log cancel, y by z equals c1. Okay. Next, using multipliers x, y, z and adding both numerator and denominator. Multiply by x, y, z and add them. Okay. X dx, y dy plus z dz. Again, x into this term. X square minus y square minus z square plus 2y into 2xy. 2xy square plus z into 2xz. 2xz square equals each ratio. See here, this can be written as 1 by 2 by 2 or 1 by 2 into 2x dx, 2y dy, 2z dz. Okay. Or we can write 1 by 2 differentiation of x square plus y square plus z square, because differentiation of x square is 2x dx. 2 cancel, we get x dx. Differentiation of y square is 2y dy. 2 cancel, we get y dy. Similarly, differentiation of this is z square. 2 dz. 2 can cancel, 2z dz, z dz. Okay. Next, x into x square, x cube, xy square, xz square, 2xy square, 2xz square. 1 by 2 d of x square plus y square plus z square, x cube minus plus 2 xy square plus xz square equals each ratio. 1 by 2 differentiation of x square plus y square plus z square. Take x common, we have x square plus y square plus z square equals dz by 2xz. X cancel, 2 cancel. Differentiation of x square plus y square plus z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square equals dz by z. Here the integration of this is log of x square plus y square plus z square. Integration of this is log z plus c2. Log of x square plus y square plus z square minus log z equals log c2, or log a minus log b is a by b. Log of a by b, log cancel, we have x square plus y square plus z square divided by z equals c2. Solution is x square plus y square plus z square by z equals this one, pi of c1, that is pi of y by z, that is x square plus y square plus z square equals z into pi of y by z. This is the required solution. Next example, solve x square minus yz into p plus y square minus zx into q equals z square minus xy. Here given solution is x square minus yz into p plus y square minus zx into q equals z square minus xy. This is of the form pp, qq, r. Auxiliary equations are dx by p, dy by q, dz by r. This is p. Dx by x square minus yz, dy by y square minus zx, dz by z square minus xy. Consider dx minus dy, x square minus yz minus this one, y square minus zx equals dy minus dz, y square minus zx minus z square minus xy equals dz minus dx, dz z square minus xy minus x square minus yz. dx minus dy x square minus y square minus minus plus zx, this is minus yz. dy minus dz y square minus z square minus minus plus xy minus zx. dz minus dx z square minus x square minus minus plus yz minus xy. dx minus dy x square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus y, plus z is common, we have x minus y. dy minus dz, this can be written as y minus z into y plus z, plus x common, y minus z. dz minus dx divided by z minus x into z plus x, plus y common, z minus y. Okay, dx minus dy, take x minus y common, remaining terms x plus y plus z. Here y minus z common, remaining terms x plus y plus z. z minus x common, remaining terms z plus x plus y or x plus y plus z. Okay, next cancel all the x plus y plus z terms. We get dx minus dy divided by x minus y, dy minus dz by y minus z, dz minus dx by z minus x. This can be written as d of x minus y by x minus y. This is d of y minus z by y minus z. This is d of z minus x by z minus x. Now considering these two, d of x minus y by x minus y equals d of y minus z by y minus z. This is integrating this one, we get log of x minus y equals log of y minus z plus c1, or log of x minus y minus log of y minus z equals log c1. Log of x minus y divided by y minus z equals log c1. x minus y divided by y minus z equals c1. Okay. Next, similarly, considering these two equations, d of y minus z divided by y minus z equals d of z minus x by z minus x. Integrating, we get log of y minus z equals log of z minus x plus log c2. Log of y minus z minus log of z minus x equals log c2. Log of y minus z divided by z minus x equals log c2. Log cancel. Y minus z divided by z minus x equals c2. Therefore, the solution is pi of c1 comma c2. We may write this is equals pi of c1, this value, or we can write the solution is pi of c1 x minus y by y minus z comma y minus z divided by z minus x equals 0.